In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Trends bar in Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to access Pinterest trends on a computer and how to make sense of the key sections so you can spot what's rising, what shoppers are excited about, and which searches are gaining momentum. First, open Pinterest on your desktop and head to the Business Hub. On the top left of the interface, you'll see the Business Hub entry point. Click that to switch into the business workspace. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're signed in and viewing a business profile. The Business Hub groups together the tools you'll use to analyze and grow your presence. Inside the Business Hub, look for the Analyze Performance area. This is where Pinterest keeps its measurement and insights tools. Click Pinterest Trends. This opens the Trends experience. Think of it as the Trends bar or dashboard, where you'll explore what people are saving and searching for over time. On the Trends page, start with Trends in the Spotlight. This area highlights timely, fast-rising topics. It's a great way to get quick inspiration for content you can make right now. If filtering options are available for country or time frame, set those to match your target audience so the insights reflect the market you care about. Next, review shopping trends. This section surfaces trending products and categories driven by shopping intent on Pinterest. Click View Shopping Trends to open the full view. Here, scan categories that relate to your niche and watch how interest rises and falls throughout the year. This is especially useful for planning seasonal launches, keywords, and product photography. Note any spikes and consider aligning your pins and boards to those moments. Move on to Search Trends. This shows what people are actively typing into Pinterest. Click View Search Trends to see the richer search view. Use the search box to explore topics relevant to your brand. Then compare multiple terms to see which one is gaining traction faster. Pay attention to curves that are steadily climbing. Those are strong candidates for content themes, pin titles, and descriptions. Don't skip editors' picks. This curated section bundles popular ideas selected by Pinterest's editorial team. It's helpful when you need creative angles or visual direction that already resonates with pinners. Finally, check out Pinterest Predicts 2026. This forward-looking report highlights emerging themes expected to grow. Use it to plan ahead, build mood boards, and seed content before trends peak. That's it. To recap, go to the Business Hub, open Analyze Performance, and select Pinterest Trends. Explore Spotlight, Shopping Trends, Search Trends, Editors Picks, and Pinterest Predicts to guide your content and product decisions. Bookmark the page so insights are always just a click away.